Welcome to this episode where we dive into the fascinating world of data synchronization, specifically with a focus on Electric and its seamless integration with PostgreSQL. If you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or someone just curious about the ever-evolving landscape of data management, this conversation is for you. So let's kick things off. What is Electric, you ask? Well, think of it as a powerful connector, much like an orchestra conductor. Just as a conductor synchronizes various instruments to create harmonious music, Electric synchronizes data from Postgres databases, making it accessible across different platforms and applications. It provides an HTTP API, which essentially acts as a bridge, allowing you to manipulate and sync your data effortlessly. Now, what's the big story behind Electric? The team recently undertook a significant overhaul of their sync engine, a project they launched back in July 2024. This rebuild wasn't just a random choice, it was informed by valuable lessons learned from their previous system. It's a classic case of learn from the mistakes of the past. It's like upgrading from a trusty old flip phone to the latest smartphone. You get a host of new features and a much better performance. For those curious about getting started, you'll be thrilled to know that it's straightforward. All you need is a Postgres database with logical replication enabled. Think of logical replication as having a reliable backup dancer who follows your lead without missing a beat. Once that's set up, running Electric is as easy as a few commands. For example, using Docker Compose, you can fire it up with a single line in your terminal. It's like pressing play on your favorite playlist. After you've set it up, syncing data is a breeze. If you want to sync an entire table, let's say named foo, you can simply execute a curl command to start the process. It's almost like asking your smart assistant to play that one song you can't get out of your head. And for those of you who prefer working with React, there's even a handy hook to integrate Electric data directly into your components. How cool is that? You can retrieve and display your data dynamically without much hassle. Now, let's switch gears and talk a bit about development. If you're interested in contributing to Electric, they have a welcoming community just waiting for you to join. They even host an open Discord server where you can share ideas, ask questions, or just say hello. It's a great way to meet like-minded folks and dive even deeper into what makes Electric tick. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on a couple of key takeaways. Electric makes data synchronization straightforward and efficient, whether you're syncing data for an app or looking to keep your databases in check. The recent rebuild has equipped it with better tools and strategies to fit the needs of modern developers. So, for our listeners out there, whether you're just starting your journey with data, are a seasoned developer, or simply curious about technology, Electric is definitely worth a look. As we end this episode, I'd love for you to consider this. How can you leverage tools like Electric in your own projects to improve efficiency and streamline your workflow? Keep that thought in mind as you explore your own data management challenges. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep syncing and keep coding.